My name's Hope and I work in client support here at Flatfee Recruiter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to organise your candidates and how to screen CVs. Your talent pool are automatically organised into 4 folders when they apply. For more information on this, check out our previous video, Viewing Your Applicants. FATS also makes it possible to organise your candidates into the various stages of the hiring process. For example, keep in mind, shortlist for interview and unsuccessful. The fastest way to screen CVs is the Quick Review CV option. To Quick Review CVs, you'll need to select one of the folders that your talent pool are automatically placed in, for example, CVs received by email. This will show you all the candidates in that stage. To review all the applicants, you can find the Quick Review CVs button in the top left-hand corner. You will then be able to read the CV and choose whether to shortlist, keep in mind, or mark the candidate unsuccessful. By clicking one of these options, it will sort the candidate into the relevant folder. We offer a range of services to assist you in your hiring campaign. If you need any extra support, don't hesitate to contact us on 0113 322 7243.